Recording? All right. I thought I'd make a quick video for the parents so that you could see, and for the students so you could see at home what we're doing here with this division problem, 190 divided by 23. Like I kind of joked about at the beginning of the year, division, long division keeps getting longer. Now we're working with two-digit divisors, and some students are getting kind of confused, so I'm going to explain what I do in class so that you can help them and we'll all be on the same page. First things first is this is 190 divided by 23. We got a two-digit divisor, and so the lesson today on page 73, 74 said we're going to estimate the divisor. This is the divisor, and we're going to round it either up or down to give them an idea how many times this is going to go into the number. So 23, as we said, 23 is going to round down to 20. So what we're going to do now is say how many times will 2 go into these two numbers? 19. And another term that we're talking about is called trial and error. There's not always for sure this system is going to work. Sometimes we try it and sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. But 2 we know will go into 19. 2 times 9 is 18. So if we tried, say for example we tried at 9 and we said 23 times 9, that gives us 207. Well, we've gone too high, so we tried it and we made a mistake. So that tells us we're going to have to go down to 8. So if we say 23 times 8, 16, 17, that's 184. Now we realize that if it goes in 8 times, we get 184. That will work, and then we're going to go back to our steps, which are divide, multiply, subtract. Okay, 190 minus 184 is 6. Bring down, there's nothing left, or compare. This is smaller than our divisor. There's nothing left to bring down, so the answer was 8, remainder 6. So the big difference with these problems is we've got to do quite a bit of work before we even get to our first step, where before, if this was, say, 3 into 190, we would just keep going through all the steps. But this is where we're at right now with long division, and hopefully this helps to know to round this off. If this number were, say, 25, we want to round it up to what, everybody?
30.
We want to round it up to 30, and then we'd see how many times 3 would go into 19, because these are going to get longer and longer. So hopefully that helps.